Welcome to the Lighthouse Tutorial Collection. We will add short videos to this site to help you accomplish tasks that are easier shown than spoken. We hope you find this useful. And remember, we are the IT department for businesses. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate how to send a fax using our Lighthouse Fax service. At a high level, you simply open your email application, such as Outlook, enter the information as I'll explain in a moment, and hit send. I'll demonstrate sending a fax to Lighthouse, where you want to type the information that will only appear on the fax cover page. I'll then demonstrate sending an image, such as something you might have scanned. Finally, I'll demonstrate sending an attachment, such as an Excel file. The allowable email attachments include image files, such as TIFF files, PNG or JPEG, Adobe Acrobat files or PDFs, Microsoft Office files such as the DOCX format, Excel spreadsheets in XLSX format, or PowerPoint files. Finally, text files in a TXT format. To send a simple fax, open your email program and start a new email message. In the to line, you want to use an 11-digit fax number. That means you need to precede the area code with a 1. So in this case, I'm going to send it to Lighthouse Fax for my demo purposes. And so I'm making a 11-digit number, 1254, as you can see on the screen. And in your case, and in our case as well, you would always follow it with @send.lighthouseIT.us. That is the end of the email that you need to send this to. So it's the fax number followed by @send.lighthouseIT.us. Nothing in CC line or BCC line will show up on your fax. The subject will be a reference on the cover page. So this is just a reference line. And if you don't add any attachments or anything else, you just want to send information on the body of the fax cover page, you can put that in the body of the email message. So this is the body. We'll insert that there. And when you've done that, we click send. After it is sent and it's on its way, you'll get a message that says from Lighthouse IT, which says your fax is on the way. So that should be a confirmation. Then it will take a few minutes. And after a few minutes, you will receive a second confirmation where it will be from Lighthouse IT, and it will say fax delivered to, in this case, the fax number that you sent. You can do other things with this fax. So you can, for example, add an attachment to it. So if I were to start a new email, send it to the fax number, and but this time, let's say I'm doing an attachment from a scan. Let's go a scanned file included. Just information that might be on the reference page. This is the scanned file, and it can be anything that you get off of your scanner. So in this case, we're going to do either of two things. One, you can click include and go and reference your file that you want to include here. You can open a window and go to the file where it's stored, and you can drag and drop. So in this case, we're going to find that file by dragging and dropping. So I'm going to search through here and find the document I want to add, which is a Dilbert cartoon. I'm going to take that and drag that into the message. You see it's attached here, and I'm going to send. That's as simple as that. So the last option might be sending an Excel spreadsheet, for an example. Now, when you send a spreadsheet, you're not sending the spreadsheet itself. You're sending it as if someone were to print the spreadsheet. So I'm going to open this spreadsheet, and you can see it's a very simple spreadsheet. It's got important numbers in it and some data. That's what the spreadsheet looks like. If I were to create an email message and send it, I'm going to do that just like I did before. And we'll put the send. I'm going to say data from a spreadsheet in my subject. You can put extensive or no information here in the body text. It doesn't really matter. It won't show up with respect to the spreadsheet. So I'm just going to put test here, and I'm going to add that spreadsheet. So I could do an include and attach a file, or I can browse and drag and drop it just like I did before. I'm going to attach it as a copy, and I'm going to send that. After a few minutes, you'll receive the confirmation. The nice thing about the confirmation, and we'll take a look at the first one when we sent the cartoon. We look at this confirmation. This output from the email is a PDF of the document you sent. So you'll see by opening it that this was a fax transmission. There's the page, and you can see on the second page, there's the cartoon that I included. Same thing with the spreadsheet. I'll get a confirmation of delivery. I can open the PDF. This is what your recipient will get. So there's the cover spreadsheet, and then there's the actual spreadsheet contents, just like you would expect. And that's it.